Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, Union, South Carolina County in upstate South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.5 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.